Currently hiking in the woods or in the jungles of Brownsberg. About to pass out. Right, which way? Left. Almost getting lost. If this video gets out, Mama, I love you. If I don't make it, Dad, I love you. Today we're in Brownsberg. Let's go to the prettiest part of Brownsberg. I should say the prettiest part of base camp. That's how high up we went. Prettiest part of base camp.
Look. You see it?
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Spider monkey. A monkey brush. Make dams and also for cremation. It burns very well.
Look at this. In the jungle of the Amazon.
Do it is like if you cook the leaves, it has it's for iron deficiency. If you have not iron in your blood, enough blood. Yeah. This one.
Okay.
But it's more for the ladies when they have the monthly, periods. There is the Chinese company.
There's gold mine.
I'm gonna show you. The mountain Brownsberg was discovered one of the geologists, Mr. John Brown, American. He came here to dig gold. Actually, this is a tunnel for gold. Yeah, heart tree.
This is the green heart tree?
Yellow flowers. Yeah.
En wat is
This
die
one.
paarse dan?
Oh, up at the top.
And the green heart is.
That's the green heart tree right there.
The green root plants have, a hole in it. It can make a sound, and we call it the telephone tree. Because if you hit it, it will give a sound. You want to? It's like a SOS. Okay. Ask for help.
Oh,
Let's demonstrate.
ja. Zo.
Bring the beer. I can translate.
Yes. This is one of also my favorite tree. You see the holes in it? We call it like alata tree. Alata is like red. But we don't have red in it. But this tree is very strong. You can use it for building the veranda. And put.
What can the sap do?
The sap. You can how do you say it? Stop the bleeding.
Antiseptic.
Yeah.
So the sap of the wood is antiseptic.
The sap, but it's dry now, so no rain. It's dry.
It's called the alata tree.
Yes. This is the tree, the bush candle tree, and the wasp of it, you can use it and to light the candle. You see this one?
Wow, so nice.
It's nature at its finest.
You can smell it?
Yeah. Smells like shit. Been hiking for hours. Just to find this right here. Look where I'm at.
Oh, ja.
Things got a little harder. I'm carrying the telescope. Got my shirt off. Really heat. Drank about 4 waters. Still feel a little nauseous, but I think I'll survive. Up, right? Just did a 5-mile hike, or 3-kilometer hike down to the rainforest and the waterfalls. Now, almost at base camp. Finally made it back to base camp. See that little green iguana right there? We're gonna eat that tonight.